Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to go through the 102 drawings I've done of your profile pictures. So I've been drawing profile pictures of subscribers in shorts. So they're all up on shorts here on this channel. If you'd like to see any of them, go right ahead. If you see them, that would be greatly appreciated if you'd leave a like. I don't know. Do you think I should continue drawing people's profile pictures? Or is that maybe something that you're sick of seeing? I mean, I've got 102 of them done so far. Let me know if that's something you think I should continue doing, or if I should just stop here at 102. Let me know. All right, but we're gonna do a little flip through and look at them all, and we'll probably play some nice music over that. So let's get going. All right, everyone, so there we go. That is quite a lot of drawing your profile pictures I've done. Quite a good chunk. So, like I said before, let me know if this is something you would like me to continue doing. Also, let me know if one of these profile pictures is yours. Write down in below in the comments. Let me know like which one is yours. So these were all drawn on heavy cardstock, and I used alcohol-based markers for all of them. You can see the markers on the other side through the cardstock. Most of them, I did them all the same way. Like I would sketch them out with a regular pencil. Let's see, where is that regular pencil? It's definitely amongst here somewhere. Yeah, most of them I sketched out with like just a regular mechanical pencil, nothing fancy. And I would usually go over my pencil lines with an OptiFlow pen from Staples. These are my favorite pens. They're just black ink and I love them. I think they're awesome pens. And then sometimes I would circle them with black Sharpie, and I'd often write the names with the black Sharpie, and then I'd have them all colored with alcohol-based markers. So sometimes they'd be Copic, sometimes they'd be Artist Loft, sometimes a mix of just whatever I got. All right, so hope you enjoyed this little look through, and hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle video. All right, goodbye.